about you. You are not visible.
My
The
name
light
is
behind you is quite bright. You're not visible to me.
my name is Lavanya Vankar. I study in Angel Surrey School, 7th March, from Rajpura, Punjab.
Okay, so you are from Punjab. Okay, I'm from Mohali. So, what have you learned till now in school? What have you covered?
Ma'am, chapter 1 in teachers, and we are doing a third exercise of fraction and decimals.
Okay, so currently I do not have your mathematics book, so I'll be exploring the Google for that. And what about science? What have you done in science?
Ma'am, I have to study only math.
Only mathematics.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, like you have done integers in class and you are currently on fourth exercise, you told me.
On we have completed in teachers chapter, and tomorrow is our test. We are doing fraction and decimal in school.
Okay, you are doing, so you have integers test tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
So is that chapter clear to you or you need to know or ask something from me about that?
Ma'am, I have confusion in between, like some solve नहीं होते some.
It's okay. It's okay. Relax, relax. कभी कभी हम जल्दी जल्दी में क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के चक्कर में ना सिली सिली मिस्टेक्स कर जाते हैं बट दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन we'll work on that also. So in teachers, class 7. You're 7, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I am taking classes of a child from the same class in teachers, class 7 NCRT.